What we are going to see in this video is the analysis of the collaboration network of John Horton Conway, who was the creator of the game of life, which is a very well-known mathematical game. So here what we are going to see is first we check that we have access for downloading the data and through our institution or for any institution that was subscribed to Scopus, right? So we search, we put the last name and first name and we search for the information. So here we have several authors that are called Conway, and in this case it was John Horton Conway, the creator of the game of life. So here we see that there are 96 documents, 3,966 citations, and we can see all the information that we can download. We are going to download the citation and bibliographical information here, and we have a CSV file that we are going later to process. Also, apart from this, we can export the information either without this or just to incorporate the information about the abstracts and titles. Right, so this is the first file. We are going to see the file that we have with the citations map plus the bibliographic information for the quotations, right? And later we have a second file where we are going just to have the information that we have for quoting this paper and to cite this. Okay, so these were the two CSV files, and once we have generated these files, what we are going to go is to Sciencescape and to generate the networks. So as we have done before, we first load the CSV file, right? And we open it, and what we obtain is the information, and we have to decide what type of network of co-publication, and we remove the disconnected nodes, right? And we obtain these networks, right? We can stop the layout, right? And now what we can see is that this is Conway, right? And let's go to see, oh, this is J.H. So we have to check, because here what they have appeared is as different nodes, when in fact they are referring to the same person, John Horton Conway. So this is something that we will have to process and to analyze when we were working with the network, because there's something sometimes this bibliographic information has to be edited, right? So what we can see, what if we do it with the bibliographic information now, not just the information of the citations. We try to generate a similar network here, but now without no filter, right? And here what we have is that here it has appeared correctly John Horton Conway, right? Because what we have is information about the authors. Nevertheless, there is also J. Conway, that probably there are some other papers in which he has collaborated or written without the H, right? And they have not been neither processed as different nodes. And besides, we have here other two papers which are related to Conway. So what we will have to do is to see how to process this and how to incorporate the data into a network with Gephi.